Okay. As Germarel frequency converter solutions, power solutions, I will explain you how to choose a frequency converter and what you have to think about while you are choosing a frequency converter and power container. Now this is our second container for this. While you are choosing, you have to be sure that the container must be seaway transportable. If it's not, it's hard to transport with the vessels anywhere if you want to transport via seaway, okay? And with the seaway means also all the panels and everything high quality and high standard. And this is important even if you will use at the land, okay? And the second thing, you have to be sure that the rain and everything must be out of the container, okay? Like we have electrical lamps outside, not only inside, to be sure of all details. So here I will show you the cable entry. So you have to be sure for the cable entry, you need a special lock, okay? While you don't use and while you are using, you must have this special water and dust protection, cable input and cable output. This is really important. If not, the animals can go inside, dust and rain can go inside, so be careful. Okay? And the air conditioner must be protected with any kind of against any crash. For huge windy areas that we have done it for north of Romania, for our client shipyard, and for Denmark, we have additional wind protection. But here we don't have that much wind. That's the reason we didn't use here. But you have to be also sure for this. Okay. And as you see, this is a standard carrier seaway container, brand new and exactly produced for our application. Now we go inside. Optional. There's electrical panel. For input and output, it's a plug and play solution. But you don't need this if you are secure for your technicians and you want economical solution. This was additional. For sure, a bigger container, you don't need another chain for bigger solution for the bigger container. But anyhow, this one you don't need. But still, we recommend for electrical protection, especially for military, navy, and for hospitals, for factories and hotels. You have always technician and fire. It's not so urgent, so you can control it. So this electrical panel, our cables come and connected. Here you see how we connect the cables. Input cable, RST. This is 1000 kVA solution, but they will not use like a 1000 kVA. They will use 300-400 kilowatt for now. That's the reason. It's smaller cables they connect, but for future application. So while you are choosing a converter, you have to be sure that you are using ABB's, Siemens, or Schneider circuit breakers, and industrial air conditioners. And our converter you can see here, the simple, like you are having output voltage 440 volt. You can adjust till 480. If you want 6 after 90, you need a transformer. Again, you need electrical connections because of transformer additional protection. So that's it for generally. And let me turn it on. So much voice. So as a result, the power applications are needed for next centuries, next 20, 30, 40 years. Reduce the cost of diesel generator, you know, and so much voice and so much you have to bring always gasoline, you know, it's no needed. That's the reason you need now in like 1, 2, 3 or 5 pieces of frequency converters and shore power solutions. to supply vessels, and then in the future your helicopters, your planes, your hotel, you know, we can add also nearby containers like solar connection, maybe wind connection. In the future we will see it. We haven't done it, but because, you know, power, so it's better not to rely on the grid or anywhere else to supply your vessels and your ships or factory. It will be in the future more and more like energy storage systems we will see. So that's it for us now. Thank you.